Hello everyone, welcome in Sister Moni's Cuisine. Who doesn't want to be healthy? And please do not pass this video, not put it a like for me, not share my video, not subscribe. This is the only thing you can do to support my channel, to support my girls. Please subscribe, please share it. Okay, this is another time, so I am sharing my healthy drink with you. So yes, after I make sure you clean your vegetables. This is carrot, this is beet, this is mandarin, but you can use orange too. I did not have orange juice, but I used the mandarin. You can use apples. So yes, and I have more apples than that I did not add to it, but I have it. So I'm going to add like 4 or 6 apples. So yes, family, make sure you clean everything. I clean my bowl with some baking soda and vinegar, as well I clean my vegetables with too, because this is something that you're going to drink. You make sure you kill all the bacteria, family, and this drink will help you with your anemic. If you are anemic, drink it. This is better than taking pills, family. And this is the beets and carrots, apple. So go ahead and try. If you are really anemic, go ahead, just make that and put it in your fridge. Drink it every day, early in the morning or at night when you're going to sleep. Drink it. It will make your skin so glowy, and it will help your blood pressure and so many more health benefits, family. Go ahead and try it and let me know if you really try this drink. Let me know. And I use my juicer. When you use your juicer, you don't have to add any water. You just drink the juice, okay? No water add to it. But if you don't have no juicer, you can always use blender. And remember, there's no sugar add to it, okay? That's make it so tasteful and so yummy, because you drink straight the fruit, the vegetables that you put in the juicer. No water add to it. Family, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like it and send me your comment. But do not forget the most important thing: Jesus loves you. He is the reason why you know me. Please give your life to Jesus. You will feel your life will be much better. Okay, this is me, and look at my skin. My skin so glowy. So yes, this is what makes my skin so glowy. I'm drinking my juice, family. Go ahead, drink your juice. It will make your skin so glowy. It will help fight anemia, and the carrot will help will help with your eyes. So and so much more.